Hey everyone! Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2024 Magic Keyboard designed specifically for the latest M4 iPad Pro. This updated keyboard comes packed with fresh features and improvements. But does it truly live up to the hype? Let's find out! So, what's new? Right off the bat, the first thing you'll notice is the larger, more precise trackpad that now includes haptic feedback. The keys? They're quieter than ever, and finally, we get a full row of function keys. For those of you who miss the feel of a traditional laptop, the aluminum palm rest adds that premium touch, making it almost like typing on a MacBook. Oh, and did I mention it's noticeably lighter? Here's the catch though. This new Magic Keyboard is exclusively compatible with the M4 iPad Pro. Unfortunately, it's a no-go for the iPad Air or previous iPad models. Design-wise, it keeps the sleek profile we're used to, but also introduces stronger magnets, making the iPad feel more secure when it's docked. Adjusting your viewing angle is as smooth as ever, thanks to a refined hinge that also houses a secondary USB-C port. More on that in just a sec. If you're into productivity, this keyboard won't disappoint. Typing is a dream, super responsive, incredibly quiet, and with just the right amount of key travel. I actually typed this entire script on it, and let me tell you, it's an experience that's tough to beat. The new function keys make it easy to toggle between tasks and control your iPad without missing a beat. This feature alone makes the upgrade worth considering if you're serious about getting work done on the go. Now let's talk about the trackpad. It's larger, smoother, and comes with some seriously satisfying haptic feedback. The clicks are subtle yet solid, exactly what you'd want from a premium device. However, despite the addition of that extra USB-C port on the hinge, it's still limited to charging only. You can't connect external drives or displays through it, which is a bit of a letdown. Still, it frees up the main port on the iPad for other uses, which is a nice touch. One of the standout features of the Magic Keyboard has always been its versatility as a stand. Whether you're typing, drawing, or even gaming, the stability and viewing angles are on point. For gamers especially, the steadiness and angles this setup offers are crucial. The M4 iPad Pro is already a powerhouse for gaming, and pairing it with this keyboard only enhances that experience. There's been some buzz about screen wobble with this new keyboard, especially when using the larger iPad models. I tested it out on my 11-inch iPad Pro, and I didn't experience any wobble at all. Whether it's on a desk or on my lap, the setup feels solid. I guess time will tell if this remains consistent, but so far, so good. To wrap it up, this new Magic Keyboard is a significant step up from the original, though it still doesn't turn your iPad into a full-fledged MacBook. That said, if you're picking up the M4 iPad Pro, this keyboard is a no-brainer. It enhances everything you do on your iPad from typing to gaming, and brings it closer to being your go-to device for both work and play. Thanks for sticking around, everyone. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button and consider subscribing. It really helps the channel grow, and don't forget to follow me on X and Instagram for more updates. Until next time, take care.